Why don't fish play basketball? Because they're afraid of the net. Now that's a fishy tale for you. Today we're going to talk about something that's both fun and delicious, just like that joke. We're diving into the world of grilled fish, exploring the ocean of flavors from all over the globe. Grilling fish, much like playing basketball, is a bit of an art. It requires finesse, the right techniques, and of course a love for the game, or in this case, the flame. From the smoky char of the grill, to the delicate balance of spices and marinades, grilling fish can be a delightful culinary adventure that takes your taste buds on a world tour. And what a tour it'll be. We'll be exploring 5 delectable grilled fish recipes from different corners of the world. We'll start with the sizzling salmon, a classic staple of many a grill enthusiast. Then we'll swim over to the tantalizing tilapia, a fish that's as fun to eat as it is to say. Next up, we'll dive deep into the tremendous tuna, a meaty fish that's a real game changer on the grill. From there we'll glide our way to the snazzy snapper, a versatile fish that's just as vibrant as its name suggests. And finally, we'll cast our nets towards the fabulous fish tacos, a fusion of flavors that brings together the best of land and sea. Each of these recipes is a testament to the culinary diversity of our world, and the incredible ways we've learned to bring out the best in our scaly friends from the sea. So get your grilling gear ready, and let's dive right into these international grilled fish dishes. Just remember, no basketball nets involved. Number 1. The sizzling salmon. Ever tried grilling salmon while doing a salmon dance? Trust me, not a good idea. But let's not get carried away with my dance moves. We're here for the main star of the show, our sizzling salmon. First up on our fishy fiesta is the grilled salmon with lemon sauce. Now don't let the simplicity of this recipe fool you. It packs a punch of flavors that'll have your taste buds doing a jig. And not the salmon dance, mind you. Imagine this, a perfectly grilled salmon fillet, its skin crackling with a smoky char, while the inside remains tender and juicy. It's a textural wonderland, a symphony of contrasts that will have you reaching for more. But wait, we're not done yet. No sizzling salmon is complete without its sidekick, and in this case, it's the zesty lemon sauce. A squeeze of fresh lemon, a hint of garlic, a touch of honey, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. It's a simple concoction that elevates our grilled salmon to a whole new level. It's like the Batman to our Robin, the Sherlock to our Watson, You get the point. Now you might be thinking, that sounds too easy. Well, dear viewer, that's the beauty of it. Great food doesn't always have to be complicated. Sometimes, all it takes is fresh ingredients, a little bit of love, and a whole lot of fire. And remember, no salmon dances while you're at the grill. We wouldn't want any fishy accidents now, would we? So grab your apron, fire up that grill, and let's get sizzling. And that, my friends, is how you sizzle a salmon. Minus the dance, of course. Number 2, the tantalizing tilapia. Ever heard of a tilapia that wanted to be a steak? Well, we're about to make its dream come true. Meet our grilled tilapia with BBQ sauce. A fish dish that could easily fool any carnivore into thinking they're indulging in a juicy steak. Now you might be thinking, how on earth could a tilapia ever dream of being a steak? Well, let's just say this isn't your average fishtail. Once upon a time, in the depths of a sparkling lake, lived a tilapia with an identity crisis. It was tired of swimming aimlessly, day in day out, and desired a more exciting existence. One day it caught a whiff of a smoky BBQ from a nearby picnic and thought, that's it, I want to be a steak. And so, our grilled tilapia with BBQ sauce was born, honoring the steak wannabe fish's dream. This isn't just any BBQ sauce we're talking about. It's a symphony of sweet, tangy, and smoky flavors that will transport your taste buds straight to a sizzling summer BBQ. The recipe begins with a fresh, firm tilapia fillet, marinated in a concoction of spices that adds a kick to each bite. Then comes the star of the show, the BBQ sauce, slathered generously over the fillet. The tilapia is then grilled to perfection, the sauce caramelizing to create a mouth-watering crust that seals in the moist, flaky fish beneath. As you take your first bite, the smoky BBQ flavors sing on your tongue, the tilapia's delicate flavor providing the perfect backdrop. It's a melody of flavors that makes you question everything you thought you knew about grilled fish. So, who said a fish can't be a steak? Definitely not our grilled tilapia. Number 3, the tremendous tuna. What do you call a tuna that's been overcooked on a grill? A hot tuna. Now let's dive into our next aquatic adventure with the tremendous tuna, a fish that's beloved by many and feared by none. Picture a juicy, perfectly grilled tuna steak. The outside is lightly charred, giving it a mesmerizing smoky flavor, while the inside remains succulent and tender. But wait, we're not stopping there. we're going to drape our grilled masterpiece with a vibrant and zesty salsa verde. This isn't just any salsa, it's a symphony of fresh herbs, tangy lemon, and a kick of garlic to awaken your taste buds. The key to a great grilled tuna lies in not overcooking it. You want your tuna to be slightly pink in the middle, giving you a delicate balance between the smoky outer layer and the tender inner flesh. Overcook it and you'll end up with a hot tuna, and trust me, that's a punchline you don't want to be the star of. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity. The salsa verde is a medley of fresh ingredients that require no cooking. Just chop, mix, and you're done. It's like a fresh summer breeze in your kitchen and the perfect complement to our grilled tuna. So, as you fire up your grill, remember we're aiming for a golden brown crust and a tender, slightly pink center. Keep a close eye on your tuna, because it can go from perfectly grilled to hot tuna in a matter of minutes. And just imagine the moment when you take that first bite. The smoky flavor of the grilled tuna, the zesty tang of the salsa verde. It's a match made in culinary heaven. It's like a summer party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. So there you have it, our tremendous tuna with salsa verde. A simple yet sophisticated dish that will surely impress your guests at your next barbecue. And remember, you want a grilled tuna, not a hot tuna. Number 4, the snazzy snapper. Why did the snapper get kicked off the grill? Because it was caught red-handed. Now that's a fishy joke to kickstart our snazzy snapper adventure. Our next recipe is a tantalizing tale of a grilled snapper that's going to make your taste buds tango. Let's dive right into the ocean of flavors. The star of this culinary show is none other than the snapper, a fish that's loved for its firm texture and mild, slightly sweet flavor. Now our snapper is no ordinary sea dweller. It's going to be grilled to perfection and served with an extraordinary companion, a walnut salsa. Now I hear you wondering, walnut salsa? That sounds nuts. Well, dear listener, that's where the magic lies. This unique blend of walnuts, fresh herbs, and a dash of citrus creates a symphony of flavors that complements the grilled snapper beautifully. It's a salsa that dances on your palate, bringing a nutty richness, a herbaceous freshness, and a tangy zest all at once. It's a flavor fiesta that takes the humble snapper from great to gourmet. Imagine the scene, a perfectly grilled snapper, its skin crispy and golden, its flesh tender and succulent. And then, a spoonful of that vibrant walnut salsa, its crunch and freshness cutting through the richness of the fish. It's a match made in culinary heaven, a delightful contrast of textures and flavors that will leave you craving for more. And the best part? This dish is not just a taste sensation, it's also a breeze to make. With a few fresh ingredients and a hot grill, you can transform a simple snapper into a gourmet delight. So, whether you're a seasoned grill master or a barbecue beginner, this recipe is sure to impress. So, folks, it's time to take your grilling game to the next level. Fire up that grill and let's make some snazzy snapper with walnut salsa. And remember, when you're grilling your snapper, make sure you don't get caught red-handed. And that's how you grill a snapper without getting caught red-handed. Number 5, the fabulous fish tacos. Why don't fish make good secret agents? Because they always taco bout their missions. Now let's dive into the world of grilled fish tacos. This dish is a delightful fusion of flavors that takes your taste buds on a culinary journey. Imagine biting into a warm, soft tortilla filled with succulent, smoky grilled fish, topped with a zesty, tangy slaw, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and a drizzle of creamy, spicy sauce. It's a fiesta of flavors in every bite. But let's start from the beginning. First, we need our star of the show, the fish. You can use any firm white fish, like tilapia or snapper. The fish is seasoned with a mix of spices, think cumin, paprika, and a dash of chili for that kick. It's then grilled to perfection, getting that nice char on the outside while staying flaky and moist on the inside. While the fish is grilling, let's make our slaw. A vibrant mix of shredded cabbage, red onion, cilantro, and a generous squeeze of lime juice. This slaw adds a crunchy, refreshing element to our tacos. Now let's talk about the sauce. This creamy, spicy sauce is a blend of sour cream, mayonnaise, lime juice, and a bit of hot sauce. It brings the whole taco together, adding a tangy, creamy, and subtly spicy note to balance out the smoky fish and crunchy slaw. Once everything is ready, it's time to assemble. A warm tortilla, a generous helping of grilled fish, a handful of slaw, a drizzle of sauce, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. And there you have it, a grilled fish taco that's bursting with flavors and textures. And that's how you make fish tacos that'll have everyone talking. So, next time you want to impress your friends with your culinary skills, remember, fish may not make the best secret agents, but they sure do make some fabulous tacos. So there you have it, folks. From sizzling salmon to talkative tacos, we've grilled our way around the globe. We've journeyed through the fiery world of fish grilling, and boy, has it been a blast. Let's take a moment to reel in our memories and recap our culinary adventure. First, we dove headfirst into the sizzling salmon, where we learned that a simple lemon sauce can make a world of difference. Then we ventured into the realm of the tantalizing tilapia, using foil packets to lock in those succulent flavors. Next, we swam with the tremendous tuna, discovering that a grill basket can be a game changer. Who knew that grilling could be such an exhilarating deep-sea adventure? We then navigated the snazzy snapper, where we got a little fancy with a walnut salsa. It's amazing how a few key ingredients can turn a humble fish into a gourmet delight. And let's not forget the fabulous fish tacos. Ah, the joy of folding grilled fish into a warm tortilla, layered with fresh salsa and a squeeze of lime. It's like a symphony of flavors dancing on your taste buds. Throughout this journey, we've seen how grilling fish isn't just about the food. It's about the laughter, the camaraderie, the thrill of trying something new. It's about the joy of grilling under the open sky, the satisfaction of perfectly grilled fish, and the excitement of exploring international flavors right in your backyard. Remember, the world is your oyster, or in this case, your grill. So go forth and grill fish like there's no tomorrow. Just remember to save some for me. For more food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.